Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple elements in Weebly. This is a super useful skill when you're building out your website and want to maintain consistent layouts across different pages without recreating everything from scratch. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look over to the left menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on that. Underneath it, you'll find Edit Site, so click on that as well. Now you'll see a list of your websites. Choose the one you want to edit, then look to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the editor page of your website where you can make all your changes and adjustments. Before we go any further, there's something important you need to understand about how Weebly handles copying elements. You can't copy multiple elements that are separated from each other individually. However, you can copy a single element on its own, or you can copy an entire column that contains multiple elements. This distinction is key to working efficiently in Weebly. Now find the elements that you want to copy on your page. Once you've located them, look for the line between those elements. It acts like a divider and helps you select the entire section. Click on that line. When you do this, a right arrow will appear in the corner. Click on that arrow and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, click Copy. This is where Weebly gives you flexibility in how you want to duplicate your content. At this point, you'll have options for where to paste your copied elements. You can choose to copy them onto the same page you're currently working on, or you can paste them onto a different page entirely. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain design consistency across your entire site without manually rebuilding sections. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to copy multiple elements in Weebly by selecting entire columns or sections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.